Page 28, red hot accents. At the top of the page, they are introducing you to jazz rock accents. These are accents on the weak beats. You see, in music, we have natural accents. The natural accent is like on, it depends on the time signature. If they're using 4/4 here, I'll use 4/4. The strongest natural accent in any time signature is on the first beat of a measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, no matter what it is. Well, there's another accent on the third beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little weaker than the first one. And when I say natural, it means they just happen. You feel them that way. They're just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's just the way it is. Well, in jazz and rock, they throw the accents off intentionally. So we don't want natural accents. Now we're using accents added in. It may not be in the music, but if you're going to play the style of music, you'll just put those accents in yourself. And you have to do it deliberately because you don't feel them very well. I don't, anyway. But these accents are on the weak beats, so they're on beats 2 and 4 in a 4/4 time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If there's a trap set playing, these would be the beats where the trap set, the drummer would play the snare drum on 2 and 4. They play the bass drum on 1. 1, boom, boom, chick, type thing. They give you examples there in the warm-up, but I want to talk about red hot accents. Look at the left hand. You see the accents there? So it's 1, 2. So when you're first learning to do it, take it slow and easy and very deliberate. However slow you got to take it, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And as you get more accustomed to it, it'll come easier to you and it'll flow a little more. So that's really what we're doing here with red hot accents, is we're just introducing these accents on beats 2 and 4. You can forget natural accents for a while. Now at the bottom of the page they give you the settings for the electronic keyboard. You can try that. I recommend a jazz setting. Could be a rock setting. It depends on whether you want to swing the 8th notes or not. I'm going to swing them. And the second measure in the right hand is... I'm going to swing them. So in that case I would use a jazz rhythm. They're also talking about acoustic jamming, where you can play the left hand an octave lower, or just... They're telling the teacher, this is a note to the teacher, but you can do it, you can be your own teacher. Just take the left hand down an octave or do things, or play with the left hand a little bit. You don't have to just play these notes. The important thing we're getting at here is the accent. Put the accent on 2 and 4 of each measure. So let's try this out very slowly and exaggerate the accent. I play a really strong accent for a while until you get accustomed to it. So go ahead and put your hands where they go. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, and ready and go. And 1. Repeat